How to fix Binance verification failed. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Binance verification problem. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, you should have the Binance app and you should be logged in into your account. And after you've done that, whenever you're trying to verify your identity, that is verify your Binance account, it's showing you failed and you cannot go through the process. So if I tap on this icon on the top left corner, you'll notice that my account is verified. Now if you want to verify your account and it's still getting the same error, what you will need to do is you'll need to wait for some time, because this might be happening because of the server of Binance being low or crowded, the traffic's high, stuff like that. It can get a damage or it's not working. So that can be the reason why the verification is not going through. But so you can actually wait for some hours and then try to verify it. Or else, if that's not working, what you can do is you can simply log out of your account and then delete this app entirely. After you delete the app entirely, download the new version of Binance with the latest updates from your app store. Simply search for Binance, and after you find Binance, you can download it and then open it up again, log in into your account, and then try to verify again. And with that, your Binance should get verified. And that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.